Hi everybody, and a warm welcome back to MapleLeaf Customs in Switzerland. I'm Andrew with the exciting results of the People's Choice voting from my recent YouTube anniversary, all-Porsche invitational. The voting is closed now, so thanks again to all the participants in this year's event. It was an even 60 builders. Wow! There were several draw prize winners that you can see in the recap video. And now for the People's Choice Award. The winner will receive this awesome transporter with a Porsche GT3 on it by Paul at Diecast Graveyard. Thanks again, Paul, and all the customizers who paid it forward this year by donating their customs as prizes. Several builders received 1 vote each, but in the top 5 we've got Sam's Scaled Models with 2 votes for this incredible working transformer. Way to go, Sam. I love that one. 4th place was me, and I should have made it clear that I'm not eligible for this, but thank you, that did my heart good to get 3 votes. 3rd place is Yaya's Garage Custom Diecast with this flying custom. Yannick's a fellow Canadian and a true artist. 2nd place goes to Jim Silva for his very popular Flying 356. I sense a theme here, and I know Jim would like to share credit with BP Custom Creations, who designed the 3D printable chassis. Nice work, you guys. And in 1st place is James from Hewitt's Hot Wheels with this beautiful number 24 Jagermeister livery. Congratulations, James. Your car was truly outstanding and deserving of the top step on the podium. But I think James and Jim and Yannick and Sam will agree with me that everyone's custom was a winner, and so too were the recipients of all of these special cars, as the theme was Pay It Forward, and each and every customized Porsche was gifted to someone else. It really was a great anniversary celebration for me, so thanks again to all who took part in customizing cars and each one who watched all the videos. You can find most of the uploads by searching for hashtag MLC Porsche 3, which has generated an automated playlist. Remember to save the date for next year's MLC Porsche 4. I wish you all a great day today. It's coffee time.